Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are safe at home. Dear students, today I will teach you your lesson 8 of your civics book, Urban Livelihoods. Right, students? In the previous chapter, we understood how people live in villages and earn their livelihoods. Right? The life of people in villages is every different from people in cities. Not only people in cities have different livelihoods, they also have great opportunities in work areas. And how many kinds of work area are there? Primary sector is there, secondary sector is there, and territory also there. Right, students? First of all, we will talk about life in city. Life in a city, right? A city is known for its busy life. It is the center of trade and business, right? Medical facilities and recreations, right? There are more than 5,000 towns and 27 cities in India, right? The most populous cities are Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, and Bengaluru with a population over 1 million. People from nearby villages and towns come to cities in search of employment and livelihood. Right? People in cities are self employed or work in different professions. They work as government employees, chartered accountants, bank employees, lawyers, doctors, engineers, scientists, teachers, dancers, singers, musicians, etc. In case of self employment, musicians, etc. In case of self-employment, people run big and small businesses in cities. A number of people sell vegetables, flowers, fruits, pottery, newspapers, balloons, etc. on street, while some other people work as rickshaw pullers, taxi drivers, construction laborers, factory workers, domestic servants, peons, and shopkeepers. Let us consider different type of employment in urban areas in detail. Right. Here is a story. Here is a case study about a busy street. During her summer vacations, in this we will study about different types of employment in urban areas, right? During her summer vacations, Smita visited her uncle who had just been transferred to a new town. She is from village and now she came to a town. Her cousin Vrinda was delighted to take her around and her locality and to the local market. Now they both are going to local market out of their house, right? When they went for a walk in the evening, Smita observed that there was a lot of activity on the streets, right? So many people are there. Along the main road, there are vendors. Some are selling popcorns, vegetables, and fruits, and charts. So many vendors are there. Even at the corner of the road was a flower stall. Flower stall is also there at the corner. Like cities, we can see in Rohtak also we have, right? At the corner of the road, some people were selling vegetables from cycle trolleys. Cycle trolleys also they have, and they were selling vegetables. Another person was selling various kinds of plastic products on like that cycle only, है ना, cycle, what is called cycle trolley, right? Pencil boxes they have, soap cases, small buckets, and many more plastic things they have, है ना. Then they both came to a rickshaw stand, and what happened with them? They hired a rickshaw to go for another place. They pay rupees 30 from one place to another, and she was thinking that in villages we are earning only for 40 rupees as a wage, when they are doing labor, and and here only one time for few minutes they are paying 30 rupees, right? So this was the story, how people are earning in the cities and how people are earning in the villages, right? Life on streets, just now I told you, just like rickshaw pullers, thousands of other people come to the city with their dreams, earning livelihoods, many people which they study well and which they got, some people got good jobs in offices, they become doctors, they become engineers, like that. And the people which do not get this kind of facilities, they do their own businesses, small or big. Sometimes they do big businesses, they have shops in malls or factories, or sometimes they work on streets only, right, or sometimes they pull rickshaw, auto rickshaw, tonga, like this. Okay, people pulling rickshaw, cycle, and selling vegetables and another things. They may also work with plumbers, electricians, tailors, and other skill or semi skill or artisans. Artisans means mistris which come to our houses, laborers also which make our houses and learn the job. Later they can report to a shop regularly, or this means they do work on a shop, in a shop, they are keeping things from here to there, like this they are doing job on in a shop, so that they get regular customers. However, more often they work on their own, right? So this kind of works they are doing in the cities, here question arises, why do so many people migrate to the cities? I have given you this question, I will give you this question in your homework. You will observe yourself, your surroundings, you will see, you will watch all the things, why people are coming, whether they are domestic help servants, whether they are laborers, whether they are rickshaw pullers, vegetable sellers, why they are here, why they come to the cities from their villages. You will find out yourself, okay, and you will write in your fair note, okay. Now another case study is there, the city market. Smita wanted to buy a few things for herself and her friends. Now Smita, she came from a village, and in a town. Now she is with her cousin Brinda. Now she want to buy some things for herself and for her friends. As they entered the market, Smita was amazed to see such a huge market, about 2 L-shaped rows of shops and shopping mall at the end. In this case study, what is there? Means she goes mall, big shops are there. She earns less. Her her parents earn less, and they went to big market where costly things are sold. Now they move to another place, there is a big hall where they can purchase export surplus garments. Means the export surplus garments means the factory is there where clothes are sewing and which are rejected by the by their customers, by their foreigner customers, and they sell to these clothes to the local customers, and people can find it, people can buy it in a in low cost. So they go there and they purchase the clothes for them and for their friends, right? Now she is also thinking that she and her family will also come to the city for earn more, right students? So your half chapter is over. Next half I will teach you in next video. Stay safe, stay home. Bye.